Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow conveniently located in Whitstable. Now this is number 32 Nightingale Avenue, a really nice tucked away location, and of course the bungalow itself gives you a really nice easy option to work with. Now coming straight through off of the main entrance hallway space and into the lounge, you can see traditional size to the bungalow, really nice amount of space here with that half bay window there at the front, and of course coming back through we'll go through and take a look at one of the property's 2 bedrooms. Now the front bedroom itself, good size, plenty of room in here for the bed and for plenty of storage as well. And coming through we'll take a look at the main bedroom here within the property, currently being used as a nice dining room with the access there out into the rear garden. But of course this would make for a fantastic double bedroom, or perhaps if you wanted to swap round the lounge and the bedroom within the property, you could do. That is what makes these properties just so versatile. Now coming straight through into the main family shower room here, you can see nice modern finish with that really good sized shower cubicle on the right hand side, and of course you've got the modern loo and sink unit there as well. Coming back through and past the storage cupboard there on the right hand side, we'll come through and take a look at the kitchen. Now this is a really nice and light and bright and airy space. You can see here that we've got the doors leading us out into the rear garden, and there's plenty of worktop space here, and of course a really nice finish as well with that lovely amount of light coming through. But of course it's just nice and easy to work with here. So coming through into the rear garden, you can see really nice low maintenance space. It does enjoy a nice sunny aspect out here as well, not all completely enclosed too. And on the left hand side we do have the access through into the carport area. Now you do have secure access at the front of the carport area here to provide you with some really convenient storage, but of course you could adapt this space and use it as further parking if you wanted to, with the access straight through into the garage. So of course I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at 32 Nightingale Avenue with us today. I'm sure you've got plenty of questions for us. This is of course a 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow in Whitstable, really nicely located. Of course don't forget, if you do like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.